Hello friends, welcome once again to Exploring Goals. चैनल रे नुआ अच्छो तो सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन हिट करी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर दियो सब लाइव अपलोडेड वीडियोस पाई आज रो इंपोर्टेंट सेशन रे हमें इंडियन इकोनॉमी बा इकोनॉमिक्स रो किछि इंपोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज देखिवा जहां एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रो बहुत ही इंपोर्टेंट स्टार्ट करिवा आज रो शॉर्ट वीडियो को क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द अपर लिमिट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन प्लांट एंड machinery for small scale industries has been fixed currently at small scale industry ପାଇଁ upper limit of investment केते right answer is 1 crore D correct question number 2 the system of memorandum of understanding means MOU memorandum of understanding ए सिस्टम टा केबे इंट्रोड्यूस हेइतिला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 रो राइट आंसर हबो 1987-88 ओके बाय अर्जुन सेनगुप्ता कमिटी अर्जुन सेनगुप्ता कमिटी okay and in the year 1984 correct. Let's move on question number 3 capital market regulator is nothing but SEBI is the right answer. Security and Exchange Board of India. Question number 4 the most accessible medium in India is most accessible medium जोठी भी नेटवर्क नाही बट टेलीविजन प्रोग्राम टेलीविजन भी समस्त पाखरे समस्त घरे अवेलेबल नाही से जगह हमर पहुंची पारुछि रेडियो सिनेमा टू बी अधिका पॉपुलर न्यूज़पेपर्स इज द मोस्ट accessible medium in India. 5 mixed economy refers to friends mixed economy कहले the coexistence of public as well as private sector public and private sector रा mixture को हमें कहूचे mixed economy. Question number 6 eggmark is a guarantee of the standard eggmark जो दिया जाए सेटा quality ऊपर दिया जाए friends so quality is the right answer. 7 the minimum wages act was first passed in India in the year minimum wages act 1948 रे फ्रेंड्स आसीतिला इंडिया रे minimum wages act अनुसार minimum किछि अमाउंट्स पे करिवा को पड़िबो लेबर मानक पई ताठु कम बा काहाकू भी अत्याचार न करी गोटे मिनिमम एटलीस्ट अमाउंट फिक्स करा जायतिला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 money supply is governed by Reserve Bank of India. Okay, money supply governed by Reserve Bank of India RBI. Question number 9 special economic zone concept was introduced in right answer is China. ACZ was special economic zone China रे introduce हेइतला. Question number 10 regional rural banks are sponsored by regional rural banks nationalized commercial bank द्वारा sponsored हेइतांती regional rural banks are sponsored by nationalized commercial bank. A corporation tax is a tax imposed on corporation tax टा का ऊपरे दिया जाउथवा टैक्स बा पडुथवा टैक्स सेटा होची नेट इनकम ऑफ द कंपनी रो नेट इनकम ऊपर ही कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स टा लागू करा जाए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 द ड्यूटीज लेफ्ट ऑन अल्कोहलिक लिक्विड्स नार्कोटिक ड्रग्स एंड ओपियम कम्स अंडर द लिक्विड ड्रग्स एंड ओपियम ऊपर जो टैक्स बा ड्यूटीज लागे सेटा होची सेंट्रल एक्साइज ड्यूटी. क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट को जीवा पूर्वरु यस an excise or excise tax sometimes also called excise duty is a type of tax charged on goods produced within the country जो goods produced हुए ताको कहा जाए excise duty or excise tax. to customs duties charged on goods from outside the country हेले हमारा custom duties लगे and excise duty lage in the country inside the country within the country by it is charged on many goods like cars the excise tax ta by excise duty ta cars writing paper printing paper and then packing paper drugs pharmaceuticals medicines alcoholic liquor water filtration and purification devices pan masala ये सब जिन ऊपर हमारा excise duty by excise tax लागू करा जाए. Question number 13, ISI mark is not given to which of the following products? ISI marks टा friends biscuits पाइन नुहे, okay? ISI होची Indian Standard Institute जो marks ISI marks टा electrical goods and grocery goods ता सहित clothes हरे हमें देखिवा को पाइबा. Question next कुछ बा grocery goods means related to your clothes, related to clothes, different types of clothes and other materials. Question number 14, agricultural income tax is a source of revenue to. Agricultural income tax टा हमारा state government रो. Land and buildings हो, sale of goods, excise on alcohol, ये सबू state government पाक हो जाए, ये सबू रे tax. Question number 15, commercialization of agriculture implies. Commercialization agriculture माने production of crops for sale. This is commercialization. Question number 16. किंतु सबु ऑप्शंस को टिके टिके नजर करूथबा एंड ता भितर जते एनालाइज भी करू छै हमें टिके भलो से सब ऑप्शंस को देखि के एनालाइज करथबो फ्रेंड्स. कमर्शियलाइजेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर कहि छै तो कल्टीवेशन ऑफ टिम्बर्स मारी देबे पार, राइट? तो वेरी केयरफुली आंसर दबार अछि जे प्रोडक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स फॉर सेल इज कमर्शियलाइजेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. 16. What was the objective of Command Area Development Program? Command Area Development Program ro objective to ensure better utilization of irrigation potential. Okay, so Command Area Development Program ro target hochi better utilization of irrigation potential. जेमति कि Command Area Development Program was launched in 74-75 रे launch हेतिला under centrally sponsored scheme with the objective of fast utilization and created irrigation potential and optimum agricultural production from irrigable land. जो जगह को irrigation दिया जाए से maximum agriculture production target रख के आस्तेला. So to ensure better utilization of integration potential, Command Area Development Program आसितला 1974-75 रे. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in, right answer is 1949 रे nationalize हेतिला Reserve Bank of India. Nationalize हेतिला 1st January 1949 रे on the basis of Reserve Bank of India transfer to Public Ownership Act 1948. All shares in the capital of bank were deemed transferred to the central government on payment of a suitable compensation. The Reserve Bank of India RBI is India's central banking institution. The establishment nationalized हेतिला 1st January 1949 रे under the act Reserve Bank of India Act but transferred to Public Ownership Act 1948. Question number 18, who is authorized to issue coins in India? India रे coins issue करिबा पई authorized होची Ministry of Finance. Right answer is B. 19, consequent upon the recommendation of working group on rural banks, 5 rural regional banks were initiated set up in the year. तो ये recommendation of working group on rural banks 5टा rural regional bank initiate हेतिला बा start हेतिला in the year 1975. October 2, 1975 regional rural banks initiate हेतिला set up by Government of India. Initially 5 RRBs were set up on October 2, 1975 which were sponsored by Syndicate Bank, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, United Commercial Bank and United Bank of India. तो ये होचंती से 5टा rural banks, okay? Syndicate Bank, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, United Commercial Bank, United Bank of India. Capital share being 50% by the central government, 15 by the state government, 35 by the bank. Okay. So ये अस्तिला regional rural banks जहाँ 1975 October 2 रे initiatives by RRB. Question number 20. When was the Minimum Wages Act enacted? Minimum Wages Act जोटा सेटा 1948 रे enact हेतिला तार विषय रे जानिबा टिके अधिका. Minimum Wages Act 1948 was enacted to safeguard the interest of workers, mostly in the unorganized sector by providing for fixation of minimum wages in certain specified employments. The minimum wages, minimum दिन मजूरी जोटा को कहा जाए, minimum मजूरी रे काम करेबा, minimum एतिकी ताठू कम होबा कथा नुआ, ए टाइप रो किछि रूल्स जहा कि Minimum Wages Act 1948 द्वारा आस्तिला. It binds the employees to pay their workers the minimum wages fixed under the act from time to time. Under the act, both the central government and state governments are the appropriate governments to fix, revise, review and enforce the payment of minimum wages to workers in respect of scheduled employments under their respective jurisdiction. Okay, so Minimum Wages Act 1948 जो कि फिक्स करिबा, रिव्यू करिबा, रिवाइज करिबा, एनफोर्स करिबा सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट दी जण जाकंकर रोल रहुचे एथरे इंपोर्टेंट. Thank you. These are 20 most important questions for your upcoming examination. Do not forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share करी, encourage करिबा निश्चय. Thanks a lot. आहुरी एमती सेशन शॉर्ट वीडियोज आगु को बहुत आसीबो. So stay connected. Explore your goals with Exploring Goals. Have a great day. Jai Jagannath.